Adding products from Zendrop to your Shopify store involves a few simple steps. Here's how to do it. Log into Zendrop. Access your Zendrop account by logging in with your credentials. Find products. Use the search bar or browse categories to find the products you want to add to your Shopify store. Click on the product to view its details, including price, shipping options, and variations. Add to import list. Once you find the product you like, click the Add to Import List button. Repeat this for all products you want to add to your store. Customize products. Go to the Import List section in Zendrop. Here, you can customize the product titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and variants to match your store's branding and requirements. Import to Shopify. After customization, select the products you want to import. Click the Import to Store button. This will transfer the products to your Shopify store. Review in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the product section to review the imported products. Make any final adjustments to product details, SEO settings, and collections. Publish products. Ensure that all product information is accurate and complete. Publish the products to make them available on your online store.